Where there's booze, there's money. And where there's money, there's crime.
Tell Bloomer we're looking for.
Bootlegging, mobsters, kidnapping. You'll never believe the real story of Fred Bloomer.
I'm not going to jail for Bloomer.
It's over! It's over!
Visit the Minhas Micro Distillery to see the movie. And try the hooch.
The movie trailer you just saw combines many of the elements of what Manjit Minhas is. She's creative and daring. And she makes great tasting beers and spirits.
So I think we can do really well together, and I can get you there.
I would love to accept your offer.
I look forward to it.
You may know Manjit Minhas as a dragon, but she is so much more. Let me take you back to the beginning. Meet Ravinder and Manjit Minhas, the founders and owners of Minhas Breweries, Minhas Distilleries, and Minhas Winery. Born and raised in Calgary, Alberta, Canada, and educated as petroleum engineers, Manjit and Ravinder have become internationally acclaimed in the liquor and beer business. The siblings entered the liquor business at the age of 19 by producing private label spirits to sell in retail liquor stores. Within a few short years, they had expanded their portfolio to 90 brands of beer, spirits, and wines. It was their expansion into beer that made them major players in the industry. In 2003, the duo formed Mountain Crest Brewing Company with a unique strategy: sell a high-quality beer at a fair price. Mountain Crest Classic Lager became an instant success with consumers who appreciated an honest price for a quality product. The Minhas family is now North America's 9th largest brewer, with production at numerous facilities, including Calgary and Wisconsin. After purchasing the Joseph Huber Brewing Company in 2006, Ravinder and Manjit turned the legendary brewery into the nation's fastest-growing brewery. Equipped with state-of-the-art manufacturing plants, the Minhas breweries and distilleries continue to expand into new markets and new product categories, such as hard seltzers, old-fashioned soda, pre-mixed cocktails, and even hand sanitizer during the pandemic. They're also making headlines through numerous high-profile partnerships with celebrities, such as Moneyback Vodka with Kiss co-founder Gene Simmons, Artingstall's, a premium gin designed by Hollywood director Paul Feig, Brown Boys Vodka, a collab with rap producer Big Bird, and 615 Rain, a brand new agave cooler created for country superstar Jelly Roll. Manjit made history in 2024, becoming the first female owner of a Canadian Elite Basketball League team when she and Ravinder invested in the Edmonton Stingers, 2-time champions of the CEBL. The Manjit Minhas podcast, featuring one-on-one conversations with business leaders, premiered in the country's top 10 podcasts in 2020. In recognition of her proven leadership and active community involvement, Manjit was appointed in 2023 as Honorary Lieutenant Colonel of the Queen's Own Rifles by the Canadian Armed Forces. She is honored to take on this role, fostering esprit de corps amongst troops, and looks forward to many years of service as an ambassador for the brave men and women who serve our country. Today, with families of their own, Manjit and Ravinder continue to ensure the success of the Minhas legacy. Where they go next is anyone's guess, but one thing is for sure. They'll go there with the commitment to quality and integrity that consumers associate with the Minhas name. And now, I present you Manjit Minhas, beer baroness, venture capitalist, philanthropist, mother, wife, dragon.